Positional isomers are isomers with the same molecular formula. They have the same molecular formula but different positions of the functional group, of the side chain, of the substituent. So they have the same molecular formula but umehluko position ye functional group okanye side chain okanye substituent. That is the positional isomers. For example, I have 1, maybe 2, maybe 3 carbon atoms. 3 carbon atoms. Now, if it's not only a compound, the substituent, that is Cl, is in carbon number 2. So you can take it here from 2 and we be carbon number 1. So it's just a positional isomer yala compound. Positional isomer. Siyibeke lapha la Cl. Then kule ndawo bekukho bani u-H simthatha simbeke la. So just bene positional isomers. This is in position number 1. This is in position number 2. So if we name this one, we'll say 2-chloropropane. But this one is on number 1. It's 1-chloropropane. So i-position ke ngu-up yale Cl ichinchile kwenye ku-number 1 kwenye ku-number 2. Okay, that is positional isomers. Let's have another example. Let's say we have a but, maybe butane dash maybe 2-ol. Then masizobeke ngopha the positional isomers ezingaphuma. So yoqala 1, 2, 3, the positional isomer of butane 2-ol. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. But means 4 carbon atoms. Now it is on number 2. Let me put it here. That is the functional group is on carbon number 2. And yeah, functional group on carbon number 2. Then I will draw a structural formula of the isomer of butane 2-ol. So I will have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the 4 carbon atoms. Now that will carbon number 2. Mandibeke carbon number 1. If ndibeka lapha still is carbon number 2. So mandibeke carbon number 1. So now the functional group on carbon number 1. Okay, it is on carbon number 1 now. That is the positional isomer of butane 2-ol. Okay, it is on carbon number 1. If you see bigger lab, it's a carbon number 2. This is carbon 1, this is carbon 2. Carbon band 2. So you can just put on carbon 1. It's either we put a glow on carbon 1 or we bear glow carbon 1. It's just for a positional isomer of butane 2-ol. Then sometimes they will give you a molecular formula even in this one. And then but write down the positional isomers. You are given the molecular formulas. Maybe let's say we have C6, maybe H13F. So singazifumana i-positional isomer pha. So eyokuqala we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Singazizoba pha i-positional isomers. U-F simbeke u-position number 1. Okay, then kwesibini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then u-F singambeka to any position. Can be position number 2, it can be position number 3. Okay, so sifike sibeke bani pha u-F wethu. so sibe sizobile i-positional isomers sinikwe the molecular